Alrighty, we are back with the second part of making a mod menu for Black Ops 3, and we're just gonna be picking up right where we left off, which is switching everything to the actual D-pad, like actual button values. Okay, now D-pad up, D-pad down. Okay, button down, X. Actually, select. Now we're gonna do square for select, and then make this R3 to actually go back. So there's better controls here. Alright, there. So now we need to do dvar get bool, which I can actually, we don't even, probably won't even need that if they have. I don't know how it is for zombies, but multiplayer, CL in game, okay, they don't have that. So we could make a ghetto. We could make a ghetto one if we really wanted to. Is in game, and we could just check. Alright, since you're gonna be the host, you'll always be client 1. We could just make it. Yeah, we'll just do this. Client 0 if s client position dot x equals 0.0 f, return false, return true. Alright, y'all. Bool. Yeah, okay, that should work. If anything, we could make something else. Actually, we are. I don't like that. Okay, why did I not find my name tag right there? Oh, I think I'm actually above. Yep, alright. We'll just read some bytes from here. Read your name. So that if there's no name there, then that means there's no one in the game. UBO. Okay. Read in s client plus 0. Return false. There we go. That should work. There we go. Okay. Now we could actually do a little test. Do printf opened menu. Scrolled up. Scrolled down. Selected option. And closed menu. So, alright. There. Oh, we should actually probably start the thread. Sys BBU thread create. What is it? It's just T. Yeah, okay, there we go. ID. This is the entry, which was, what was it, main thread, I think? 0, I don't even know what these are, just put that there, 0, 3 zombies. Alrighty. Okay, so now it'll actually go there, printf, sprx loaded, and there. Now we could do a test right now, which yeah, we will. Quit the game real quick, and I'm going to need to make this load the SPRX. These out of here. Oh, wrong thing. Whoops. What's this called? go. Make f self. Self exe SPRX default is vm.elf reboot.bin. Alrighty, go there, transfer that over. Alrighty, now go to documents, go to my SPRX, ZM, build it. Hopefully there's no build errors. G-client is undefined, that's probably why, it's right there. Just move this to the top. Alrighty, so let me just double check everything quick. Oh, actually that not work. Let me initialize this so everyone has it. There we go. Now everyone will have access by default, which we will of course change later. And now we will test this. Yeah, pretty sure. Client, get client. Yep, alrighty. Go build it, refresh it, drag it in there, and start up Black Ops 3. So it'll do a, make sure it actually loaded. Never done an SPRX on BO3 yet. This is my first time actually. Oh, that's nice. Okay, sorry about that. Had a little issue with the is in game, so for now we're just gonna make it return that we are, and we'll figure something out later because that's not really that important right now. Alright, so I'm loading up BO3 right now, and then we'll test this out, see if our scrolling and everything works. Alright, and I'm probably, actually, this video is probably just going to be a video of me making a menu more than just like teaching you guys, because teaching really is not, honestly not my thing, and it would just be too hard to teach through like, I don't know. It would be just too broad of a question how to make a mod menu. It's just, I mean, it's the same concept for each game really, but it's different in its own way. Alright, I probably should have put a sleep right here, but that's fine. Alrighty, play, start game. Yeah, see, if you don't put that sleep there, that's what's gonna happen. It'll just say busy loop detected if you don't put this sleep at the end of the whole loop, but that's not a big deal. Alrighty, let's watch this stupid intro. Alright, skipped it. Alright, so R3 and L3. Open menu right there. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's a little messed up. Why is it doing that? Get out of your stage 2.dex. Alright, open menu and scroll up. When you press D-pad up and when you press D-pad down, it doesn't say anything. Oh yeah. Alright, well I didn't put is D-pad down, but it would work. And then finally, just close it. Boom, close menu. Alrighty. We have the bases down now. So now, what to do next is see if our HUDs work, which they should, but who knows. Alright, and I'm pretty sure you can call this stuff from a thread. I'm not 100% sure. Like localized string index. Not 100% sure, but I guess we'll try it out. Alrighty, so basically, now we need to make some HUD elements. Game HUD element S. So we background. We'll just start off with the background for now. And void load HUDs. So now background I equals set rect I for client. Shader will be white. X, oh, maybe let's do 200 and 200. That would be good just for testing. I'll do 100 and 100. We'll make it black and a little bit see-through. There we go. And now does this automatically set its type? It does. Alrighty. Okay. Okay, we don't want it to automatically show. So how can we do this? If I do that with 0, then it would just keep using the same HUD element because it checks that the type is 0. That won't work. Whatever, we'll just see if this will go. Make a scroll bar. Scroll bar. Set rect I white again. X will be the same. Y will be like 250. Width 100. Height 15. Something like that. And we'll make it white. That is annoying. What the heck? Alrighty. So now. Okay, this is actually gonna affect us now. I'll just have to do a manual one. Okay, so has loaded HUDs. Alrighty, so now this is game. It'll only run if that address equals 1, basically. So then if you're in a game, if g underscore b has loaded HUDs, true, and whoops, load HUDs. Okay, so let's restart the game, see what's good. I'm pretty sure I can take all of these comments now. Yeah, I got use d-pad down. And this will change right here, the R3, because you're gonna have to make it so that, let's say you go into another submenu, you don't want to just close the whole menu if you're in a whole other submenu. And that's easy, but just we'll do that later once we actually get this drawing to work. Because I don't know if this drawing will even work. So, 1 second. Alright, yeah, it'll work. Alright. Actually, wait, what? Alright, yeah, that's... Okay, there we go. I mean, the NGU thread said it was updated, so it should work. If not, then we'll have to fix it ourselves. It's not a big deal, but Okay, check if you're in game. Load all HUDs. Should be good now. If I'm correct, that should just automatically pop up on my screen because it sets it to 0. Or sets it to whatever it's supposed to be. In that case, it's 8. Alrighty. Now we test. Actually, I'll load this thing up too so you guys can see. But yeah, so once we get the HUDs drawing, then we're gonna start formatting it and have it like actually move the elements and whatnot. And yeah, it'll be a fun time. We'll probably also do like move to and stuff, but I don't know about yet. Well, how we get it just to actually just move first, then we'll worry about like making it look good. Alrighty, loading up. And gotta connect real quick. Okay. And once I get in the game, why do I have to keep watching this stupid thing? I don't recall that happening on Xbox. Maybe it's because I'm a single player, I don't know. Alright, there we go. And alright, load it in. Oh, look at that. It actually worked. Cool. And it should say loaded HUDs. Yeah, loaded all HUDs just once. There we go. Cool. Now that's obviously not how we want it, but we'll make something like that actually. We'll make it like a nice small menu. We won't make it take up half your screen. Make it a small one. So let's see. We'll move it over a little bit. 100. Move it up to like 50. And its width is gonna be like, let's say I'll just do like 150. That'll be what's that right there? I'll have to make sure it's divisible by the height of the scroll bar too, so I like the height of that scroll bar. So let's do like, let's see, we'll have it do 10 options a menu, so we'll do 15 times 10, that'll be 150. Actually no, we'll make it do more. We'll make it do 15 options. 225. Whoops, wrong thing. Alright. So there, and we need to figure out a way that need to figure out a way to hide them all. I could do just another loop to hide them all, but I'll just do that actually, yeah. Hide HUD. Okay, there we go. So now we loaded all our HUDs. X, Y with, okay. Now we'll worry about text later, but we will obviously need to do it. But for now, we will just do this. Alrighty, so now we open, close, scroll, we could draw. We're good. So now we'll make a function to do void do scroll int client. Okay. So basically, okay, so we're gonna have 15. Actually, hold on, before we do that, let's make something void set HUD position. Alright. float new position equals 15 is the height of it. Put these all floats just so the compiler knows they're floats. Yep. All right. So 15 times the scroll of the current client, which would be in the parameter. Actually, that's all. We wouldn't even have to do anything else. And then, so for this, we'll do set HUD position, scroll bar of the client, comma new or x 100, and then new position. Wait. Yes. Okay. So we'd have to have the initial position, initial y, which is 50, then we'll add it on to whatever. Yeah, okay, that makes more sense. Actually, this will be update scroll. There we go. Oh yes, and yeah, we'll do that too. Or what would be a good way? Alright, whatever. We'll just do, because we need to have a function that'll get the max scroll just so you don't scroll off the menu. So then we can do that a few ways. We can do it manually setting it. We can do it automatically. I'm just thinking if I'm going to have my option text set up, if I'm going to have it in like an array or just a straight string. I'll just have it in a string. So then to get the count from that, I can just count the amount of times it does that. But I think we'll just do manual scroll. Get max scroll menu. So if menu equals, do some menus up here. Int main menu equals 0. And that's all we're going to have for now, actually. We'll make it return 10 for now. Else return 0. Alrighty, so now we have the scroll minus, so it'll go up. So then we don't want we don't want it to be -1. So if it has 0 and you scroll up again, it'll be -1. So then we'll do if gi scroll for the client is less than 0. All right. We're going to, so if it's like basically if it's above where it's supposed to be, above that the top part of that, we'll set it to the max scroll of, oh yeah, that's actually something we forgot. Int g underscore I current menu. That's a big part right there. So when you open it, it's main menu. Yes. Alright. The current menu. And we're gonna do -1 because the menu scrolls, it starts at 0, not 1. And in here we're giving it its actual count in like starting from 1. So we gotta do -1 basically. And same thing for scrolling down, just a little bit different. If g current scroll of the client is greater than the max scroll of the current menu, -1 again, just because it starts at 0, then we set it to 0. Pretty simple. And now after all of that, we're gonna have to do update scroll. Alright, and actually we'll do this also. Avoid open menu. Make it just look a little bit nicer. So now I'm going to do show HUD background, if I can spell, client 8. I think, yeah, 8 is for rectangles. Yep. Okay, so now we have that. We can just basically take all this stuff also, plug it in here, change all the I's to clients. Oh, fail. Make that also 4. Multi-client. Used to GTA. 1 client. Alright. So set your scroll, your current menu, and the menu opened is true. Then it also shows the HUDs. And then we'll have one for close menu. Basically copy and paste this. Actually, yeah, we can just copy and paste that. Scroll equals 0, don't need that. Set it to false. And then we need to hide the HUDs. So copy this. This video at 26. Dang, time is flying. Alrighty. And that should be good there. So okay. Oh, I just copied that. Close menu. Alright. There we go. So right now, loads the HUDs and then makes them so you can't see them. And we have our original thing. So when you open the menu, sets their scroll to 0, sets their current menu to main menu, sets their menu open to true, and then it shows the HUDs for them. All right, and then we have scroll up. It has our scroll checks also, so it's within our range. Then it does the update scroll. Speaking of that, after I open the menu, I should update the scroll just so it's always at the top again. Alright, scroll down, same thing. Update scroll. Select the option. It will just do nothing for now. Close. It'll close the menu, and that does set your scroll to 0, sets the menu open to false, and hides the HUDs. So now we could give this a try. Should work. And yeah. Next part, we'll probably do the text, most likely. Text is always the hardest part, in my opinion, just because the spacing between it, it's kind of hard to get it to fit your menu. Usually you have to fit your menu to the text, but we'll see. Yep. Alright, it's updated. I'll wait for this to upload or update, and probably end this part here, just because it's already 28 minutes, and I'll probably just pick up the next video at the game. Alright, peace.